Tip 1. English tip by tip. What's your name?
Hello. What's your name?
My name's Jefferson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Dialogue 1.
What's your name?
My name is Jefferson. What's yours?
My name is Mary. Nice to meet you, Jefferson.
Nice to meet you too, Mary.
Do you work or are you a student?
I am a student. What about you?
I am also a student. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, you too. Goodbye.
Bye.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, are you Jefferson?
Yes, I am. And you are?
I am Mary. We are in the same English class.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you too. This class is very difficult for me.
Me too. I don't understand the homework.
Maybe we can study together sometime?
Yes, that sounds good. Maybe after class.
Okay, thank you. See you in class on Monday.
See you Monday. Bye. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.